Maureen. Maureen. Maureen, come on. Washilekun. Okay, please. Could you please open this door? Maureen. Please. Maureen. Okay. Maureen, please open this door. Maureen. Maureen. Please open this door. Maureen. Why are you doing this to yourself?
Why am I doing this to myself?
Yes.
Ọkọ mi kúrò nílé látọjọ́ yẹn. Kò tiẹ̀ wẹ̀yìn wò. Kò bother. Number wa reachable. Mi mọ bí tí mo fẹ́ wá sí. And you're asking me, why tí mo fi ń ṣe báyìí? Why won't I do this to myself? What kind of question is this?
Ìyẹn ò ní kó wá dèrà ìmọ́lẹ̀ kó fẹ́ kún ṣe ra ẹ̀ léṣe. Okay. Ṣé kò ní family, any relative you can go to and go fẹjọ́ sùn wọ́n?
Say, ìyẹn ò tẹ́lẹ̀ work because àwọn family ẹ̀ náà tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn ò fẹ́ ká fẹ́ra wa. Mommy ẹnìkan ló fọwọ́ sí and she's no more. I really don't know what to do.
deceive yourself. Everything. Please. Everything will be fine. Okay? Please.
As a matter of fact, Maureen was the office lady. Mi ò rí. Ìgbà tí mo tell yí bọ́pọ̀ wà rán ni mo ti sọ fún secretary mi pé kó sọ fún pé I'm not on set.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Ìwọ ni mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ now. And I must say this to you. Láti ìgbà tí èmi àti ẹ ti ìpínyà nígbà yẹn, I never stopped loving you. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Then why Toshife?
I did it for my mom. Mommy ni ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa complaining pé ọjọ́ tí ń lọ. Ìgbà wo ni mo fẹ́ settle down. As a matter of fact, she threatened that she was going to die anytime soon. I love you.
I mean,
o lè believe pé mo lọ sọ́fíìsì Ọláyẹmí. Secretary ẹ̀ kàn ní kí n jókòó sí reception, wọ́n jẹ́ kí n rí. Ó dẹ̀ sọ pé ó mọ̀ pé mo wà ń bẹ̀. I was there all day waiting for him. I just wanted to have a conversation with him. Kò sí nǹkan mi, just to see him and talk. Ó dẹ̀ nìkan ní kí n dúró síbẹ̀ kó tiẹ̀ bọ́dà kó yọjú sí mi kó.
It's okay. You know what? I think you should give him some space.
Space?
Yes.
But mo ti fún ní space látọjọ́ ẹ̀.
Then give him some more time.
Time?
Yeah.
How much time does he need?
Enough for him to come around.
I just feel like
You know what?
I
think I have a story to lighten your mood. You see, while I was in school, mo lọ sí ibì kan.
Excuse me, please. Hello? Yes. Èmi ti gbàgbé pé mo gbéṣẹ́ fún yín nígbà tí mi gbọ́ anything látọjọ́ yẹn. Really? Something concrete? Ẹ sure ṣá? Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Marry yín lọ́la. Yeah, thank you. Ẹ ṣé.
Chikosi.
I know this sounds crazy, but ó nígbà kan tí mo hire man kan, mo ní kó máa bá mi Ṣọláyẹmí.
Wow.
Mo ní kó bá mi trail ẹ̀. Èmi mọ̀ pé suspicions me are right, but I just want to be sure. Mo fẹ́ confirm. So, àwọn náà pè mí nsìn. He said he has something concrete for me. And I can't wait to see it. I just want to know. Hey, finally. Like, mo máa mọ̀, though mo ti many, but mo máa wà sure, mo máa rí fún ara mi pé yes, you're the one. You don't get what I'm saying. Mo máa rí pé ẹni yìí family me. I just want to see that person. I'll go there tomorrow.
Do you think this is necessary?
It is. You know what I'm saying. It is necessary. I need to see that person. And he called me already. All I want to name something concrete. So let me just go and say for myself.
Tojo Teerun, oh my Juro, nígbà tó lè, oh my Juro, ìfẹ́ tó dùn lọ́kàn, ìfẹ́ tó dùn, ìfẹ́ tó dùn lọ́kàn, ìfẹ́ tó dùn, ìfẹ́ tó dùn lọ́kàn.
Ẹ má bínú sí mi, ọmọ tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ dédé. Ó yẹ kó ní àsìkò ìgbádùn. Iṣẹ́ yẹn ti rẹ́dì. Ọbẹ̀ ẹgbà kí iṣẹ́ yìí nìkan iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe pọ̀. Tìyín náà ni. Ẹ̀yẹ̀wò. Everything is pérépéré. Ṣùgbọ́n iṣẹ́ yín ò fún mi wàhálà. Àbí ìgbà pé ìṣiṣẹ́ rí. Àbí ìgbà pé ọkọ yín mọ̀ pé ẹnìkan wà tó ń sọ̀hún ni. Mo ti ṣe irú iṣẹ́ báyìí dípẹ́. Tí ìbá yẹ pé mo jẹ́ expert títí mo mọ́ṣẹ́. Ìgbà ká mi. Ṣùgbọ́n a dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. I thank God.
So, Tọ́pẹ́ lè ṣe nǹkan báyìí.
I can't stop wondering. Why? Why my husband? Ṣebí ó yẹ kó rìn síwájú ni.
Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ gan? And they did this without us even knowing. Èèyàn máa ní ká o.
Ó yẹ kí mi gan ti mọ̀ pé Rachel ló lè ṣerú nǹkan báyìí fún mi. Ó yẹ kí n ti mọ̀, kó yẹ kí n lọ sọ̀rọ̀ burúkú sí.
They could have killed us, you know.
Tojo